Welcome back to the channel. If you have been searching for the New Balance 574, you are in the right place. Let's compare the top contenders to help you decide. Product number 1. New Balance Women's 574 V2 Evergreen Sneaker. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so stoked to kick off this shoe review series with the New Balance Women's 574 V2 Evergreen Sneaker. It's one of my all-time favorites, and I'm excited to share why. Okay, so the New Balance 574 V2 Evergreen is a classic lace-up running shoe that's been revamped with an updated design, but still retains that iconic 574 vibe I all know and love. Evergreen being the colorway, which is a gorgeous, muted green that's perfect for casual everyday wear. Trust me, it's a real head-turner. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why 574? Well, the 574 is a legendary model that's been around since 1988, and it's known for its comfort, support, and versatility. It's honestly one of the most popular New Balance models of all time, and for good reason. Wow, the quality is top-notch, the materials are premium, and the fit is spot-on. It's like a hug for your feet. If you're looking for a reliable, stylish shoe that'll go with just about anything, look no further than the New Balance Women's 574 V2 Evergreen sneaker. Check out the link in the description for active discounts, and let me know in the comments what you think of this shoe. Product number 2. New Balance Women's 574 Core Sneaker. Here's what I've got next, folks, and I am beyond excited to dive into these incredible New Balance Women's 574 Core sneakers. And trust me, you're going to love them as much as I do. Now, if you've been around the sneaker game for a bit, you'll know that the 574 is an iconic model from New Balance, and for good reason. It's been a favorite among sneakerheads for decades. The Core Edition is all about stripping it back to the basics, giving you a sleek, timeless design that's perfect for everyday wear. Honestly, I've been wearing these non-stop since I got my hands on them, and I just can't get enough. The comfort level is insane, and the support is top-notch. You get a full-length absorbed midsole, which absorbs shock and provides cushioning, and the breathable mesh upper keeps your feet cool and dry. Look, I know what you're thinking. What makes these worth it? For me, it's all about the quality and the versatility. These will easily pair with anything from distressed denim to dresses, and the neutral colors mean you can wear them time and time again. Okay, so if you're as stoked as I am about these, be sure to check the link in the description for the latest deals and discounts. Product number 3. New Balance 574 Unisex Shoes. Alright guys, so I've been talking about some amazing shoes, and I am so excited to share with you the next one on our list, the New Balance 574 Unisex shoes. Now, I know what you're thinking. Unisex means it's for both guys and girls, and trust me, it's not just a marketing gimmick. These shoes are perfect for anyone looking for a comfortable, versatile sneaker that's perfect for everyday wear. The New Balance 574 is a classic design that's been around for decades, and it's still one of the best-selling models out there. Honestly, I was blown away by how comfortable they are. The moment I slipped them on, I knew I was in for a treat. The cushioning is top-notch, the materials are super soft and breathable, and the overall fit is just spot-on. Look, I've worn these shoes for hours on end, and I didn't even notice I was wearing them. They're that comfortable. And the best part? They're available in a ton of different colors and styles, so you're sure to find a pair that fits your personal taste. So, if you're in the market for some new kicks, I highly recommend checking out the New Balance 574 Unisex shoes, and don't forget to check the link in the description for active discounts. Product number 4. New Balance Men's 997 HV1 Classic Sneaker. So the New Balance Men's 997 HV1 Classic Sneaker. It's this absolute beauty right here, folks, and I'm so excited to share my thoughts on it. So, if you're not familiar, The 997H is a high-top sneaker from New Balance's iconic 997 series, and let me tell you, this thing exudes style and sophistication. It's like the ultimate blend of old school and modern flair. The V1 Classic moniker is no joke, either, because these sneakers have got that unmistakable classic look that'll never go out of style. I mean, just look at those sleek lines, that premium leather upper, and trust me, the attention to detail is top-notch. From the sleek lacing system to the New Balance logo on the heel, every aspect of this sneaker screams quality. Honestly, I was blown away by the comfort level on these too. The cushioning is insane, and the ride is so smooth. So, if you're in the market for a timeless, high-quality sneaker that'll last you years to come, look no further than the New Balance Men's 997H V1 Classic sneaker. And if you act fast, you can catch some active discounts on these bad boys. Just check the link in the description below. Product number 5. New Balance Women's 515 V3 Sneaker. You know, I've been diving into some amazing sneakers so far, and I am super excited to share with you my thoughts on the New Balance Women's 515 V3 sneaker. This thing is a real game changer. Now, as the name suggests, the V3 is the third iteration of New Balance's 515 model, and it's clear that they've taken all the best bits from the previous versions and amplified them to create something truly special. Honestly, the first thing that caught my eye about these sneakers was the sleek, modern design. I mean, just look at that upper material. It's got this gorgeous texture that's both stylish and durable. Trust me, these shoes are not just for looks though. They're also incredibly comfortable, with a supportive midsole and a roomy toe box that's perfect for long walks or even just lounging around the house. And let's talk about the performance. These sneakers are seriously lightweight and springy, making them perfect for running, hiking, or any other activity that gets your heart rate up. So, if you're in the market for a new pair of sneakers that's both stylish and functional, look no further than the New Balance Women's 515 V3. Check the link in the description for active discounts and get ready to upgrade your shoe game. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this comparison helped you make the right choice. Click the links below for more info, and don't forget to subscribe for future updates.